G'day, it's Jay and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Vo5 Texture Sea Salt Spray. So I wanted to quickly jump on and talk about the Texture Sea Salt Spray. This I've only just got. I saw it just at the supermarket. It was really cheap. I'll put the price up on the screen somewhere. And I just was like really interested to see how it compares to other brands and if it's worth getting. So for starters, if you look at my hair, it is so oily. Like, it's really bad. It is a lot of days overdue for a wash. So I wanted to see if I could freshen my hair up by using some of this sea salt spray and giving it a blow dry and seeing if it would look any better. So I'll give you a real close up of my very oily hair. So it's very oily. It is quite messy as well. I've given it a little bit of brush through, but haven't really done anything outside of that. So I thought I might as well take you through with me while testing this product to see if it's worth having. So it says that there's a few different ways you can use this product. You can use it on already wet hair. My hair is currently dry. The other way we can do it is to add some to the roots and then blow dry it out. So I'm going to give it a little bit of a try. I might add it to a bit more than my roots because I feel like the oil is a bit everywhere and not just in my roots. So I'm just going to give it a good spray. I've also noticed I've sectioned off my hair a bit. Probably could have done an extra section, but that's okay. So I'm going to start with my Kmart blow dryer. I do have a review on my YouTube channel, so go check that out if you're thinking of buying a blow dryer. I have all my details about this blow dryer on that video, but let's get started. So having a look at it, I feel like I can see a difference. It obviously still is a little bit oily in there. I probably would have added a bit more of the product and maybe use like I'd use a smaller blow drying brush so that I could like get in right at the roots. But for a sort of quick fix, I feel like it definitely has done an improvement. My hair feels so much like more grippy, which might not sound like a good thing, but it is for me. Like when my hair gets oily, it just feels so slippery. It looks really shiny, where I definitely reckon it's helped take away that oiliness look of my hair, especially from like there down, because I probably had a good amount of oil still throughout there. I think for the roots, I definitely would need to add like a dry shampoo or something to top it off. I have tried this product just on my wet hair and it did sort of work a bit. It's something I need to play around a bit more with, but I think it's definitely a great product. So I'm just going to show a little bit of what I also did on a mannequin with blow drying. This mannequin has like really split end dead hair. Most hairdressers would probably just get rid of it. It probably has like this much length of split ends, but I like to really challenge myself so that I'm ready for all different types of clients. So I'll just insert that clip just here of me blow drying with this product, and so you can also see what it looks like on different hair types. Thanks so much for watching this first impression, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye!